If your gutters are overflowing at the corners, it usually means they are clogged or not draining properly, and fixing this can save you a lot of headache and water damage. So, first up, make sure to clean those gutter corners really well because leaves and debris love to pile up there. Use a scoop or your hands with gloves, and don't just clear the middle but get right into those corners where stuff gets stuck. Next, check if your downspouts are enough for the water flow. Sometimes adding an extra one near the corners helps water drain faster and stops overflow. Also, make sure your gutters are sloped correctly toward the downspouts. A slight angle is key so water doesn't just sit and spill over. After cleaning, flush your gutters with a hose to see if water flows smoothly or if there are still blockages. If you notice sagging gutters, tighten the hangers to keep them in place because loose gutters cause pooling water. Consider installing gutter guards to keep out leaves and reduce how often you have to clean. Finally, keep an eye on your gutters during heavy rain to catch any issues early. One of the biggest problems with gutters overflowing at corners is clogged debris buildup, which blocks water flow. Fix that by cleaning regularly and checking after storms. Another common issue is having too few downspouts or poorly placed ones. Adding extra downspouts or moving them closer to problem corners usually stops overflow. The third big mistake is gutters not sloping properly, which causes water to pool and spill out. You can fix this by adjusting the hangers to create the right angle toward downspouts so water drains away easily. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome spot for homeowners wanting to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to gutters and home repairs. Contractors also get a steady stream of work by connecting with people nearby who need their skills, making it easier for everyone to get things done right.